Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to my beauty space. My name is Jenny. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash review on the Aladdin collection with MAC. If you want to learn how to recreate this look right here and want to know my opinion, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes. Today we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. Okay. So for today's makeup look, of course, we're going to be using the Princess Jasmine palette. This is the Aladdin collection with MAC. Let me show you guys the colors. They're really nice and I would say cool or neutral. I mean, it has a little bit of everything except for anything bright. So we're going to grab this color right here at the bottom and we're going to apply it on our crease and just a little bit higher. That's going to be our transition color with the fluffy Sigma brush. With a MAC 221 brush like this one, we're going to apply this color right here and we're going to apply it directly into our crease. So I really want to intensify my crease like a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Morphe M411 brush and I'm going to grab the darkest color in the quad right here. So for the next step, I'm going to go ahead and just clean my lid. Sometimes when you apply eyeshadows, it tends to fall out in that area and it takes over and it just makes a little bit of a mess. So I'm going to, like I said, clean here and I'm going to be using this concealer. This one is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I realized that I didn't tell you guys what brush I used to clean my crease. Why do I keep saying crease? My lid. This one is the Morphe M432 brush. I will go ahead and link it, not here, but in the description box for you. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the palette. I'm gonna grab this color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. I tried swatching it dry and I didn't like how it looked. It wasn't that intense. When I sprayed it, it looked cuter. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, definitely swatches are not as good as applying the eyeshadow, but this eyeshadow is not as intense as I thought it would be on the actual eye. And I forgot to add glitter glue, so now it's transferring. Let's see, hold on. Let's try maybe adding gold on top. Okay, there we go. So if you mix them, it looks nicer. So we're gonna add that color and then we're gonna mix a little bit of gold. So I went ahead and I applied some eyeliner. I am using the Inglot eyeliner in the color black. And for lashes, I'm using the Morphe eyelashes in the style Melrose Avenue, I believe that. Yeah, I think that's what they are. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our skin. I'm going to be priming my skin with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. foundation today, I'm going to be using True Match from L'Oreal. I am in the color W4 Natural Beige. I got another tan when I went to Volcano Bay, okay? So yes, the face doesn't match the neck, so we're gonna figure that out shortly. But we're gonna move on to concealer. I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star concealer. I am in the color, what is this? C9. So to set my under eye area, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star setting powder in the color Banana. So I had tried this for the first time on, I think it was a week or two ago. And I was going to let you guys know how I felt about it, and I love it. Love, love, love it. So if you guys want to try it, go ahead. I think it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna grab my MAC Studio Fix powder to set the rest of my face. So moving on to my favorite part, which is bronzer. I'm gonna be using this one. This one is from the collection as well. This one is called Your Wish Is My Command. And I am super excited to try this one. I'm gonna be applying it with my Morphe PK14 brush. Yeah, PK14 brush. This is a nice bronzer. So while this is setting right here, just carving out my face like I always do, I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna be using Sweet Sweet Fantasy from the collaboration that Mariah Carey did with MAC. So now we're gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna be spraying my skin with the MAC Fix Plus before applying that. And for highlight, of course, we're gonna be using the one from the collection. This is One Jump Ahead. Wow, that's cute. Now, I'm a little confused because this looks like a highlight to me, and it says here that it's a powder blush. Anyway, it's cute. We're gonna go back to the palette, and I'm gonna grab this color right here and apply it to my lower lash line. So I'm like super blind, but I think I can read this. Princess Incognito for my lippy. I'm like, you can barely even see that. Anyway, let's apply this. I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna be using my favorites, L'Oreal Voluminous Fall Slash Mascara in the color Black. Alright my loves, so before we end this video, let's talk about the collection. As for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be very honest, I did not like it. The transition color that I applied, it was good after doing a lot of blending. At first when I applied it, it was very chalky and I wasn't feeling it. The second two colors that I applied directly into my crease, they blended beautifully and they were really nice. But when it came to the shimmery eyeshadows, I hated them. Oh my gosh, I hated them. I swatched them on my hand dry and I'm like, okay, you know, maybe it needs, you know, to be wet. So I sprayed the my palette like I normally do, and then I swatched it. I'm like, hey, that looked really nice. When I grabbed the brush and I applied it on my lid, it was just not looking cute. I even like mixed it in with another color and it looked better, but it still wasn't what I wanted. Do I think the little palette is worth it? I'm going to be honest, I'm sorry, but no. As for the bronzer, I absolutely loved it. It was stunning. It was so buttery on the skin. It looks so beautiful. I love it. The other item that we tried was the, on this thing it says blush, but it's not a blush, it's a highlight. Well, I could be wrong, whatever. The highlight, I applied it and it was just beautiful. I love the color, it looks really pretty. The lippy, I'm obsessed. I love pink, it looks really nice. It's very subtle. It's matte finish and it's cute, I like it. Do I think that it's worth getting everything? No, because you're gonna get, you know, whatever you want to try. But as for me, for 4 items that I got, there was only one I didn't like, which like I said was the eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry, I just didn't like the colors. Do I recommend you to get it? I would say no, but if you want to try it, you can go ahead and do so. But everything else I did like, so that I would say, you know, if you, I would recommend that you try, I would say. But yeah, everybody's entitled to their own opinion. This was mine. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial / review. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a beautiful comment and a thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful. I love you guys and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.